Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the official iPhone app of ChatGPT app. So from your app store, just go to your search bar and type for ChatGPT. So once you're in there, just choose this icon or this symbol here next to that first option. So the ChatGPT official app for iPhone. So all you have to do is to double click to install if you're an iPhone user and click open once you're done. So you will be asked to create your account in here. You can use or continue with your Apple ID or your Google account or sign up with email. So just choose any, and then you will be headed to another page wherein you're going to confirm your name and your email address. And once you are signed in, wait for a few seconds and tell about yourself. You just input your name, your first and your last name, and your birthday here. So this is for them to verify your age, and then you have to verify also your phone number. So write your phone number and tap send code so that they'll be able to verify your phone number. And once you have already the code, you will be solving or having this puzzle solved that will be shown on your screen. So just follow what is asked, and if the verification process is done, you will be able to get the code that will be sent to your number. And once you have the code, just type it in the box provided, and then you will be headed to the page wherein you will be welcome to ChatGPT. So you can now tap continue if you wish to explore more ChatGPT, which is very useful nowadays. So let's tap continue, and this is where you are going to start. So in these three dots here, you can check your history, settings, and tap a new chat. And then if you want to make a new chat or a message, then you can just type anything on the search bar and ask question, or you can directly write down your questions and wait for the response from the app. So that's the process of downloading ChatGPT to your iPhone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.